We have seen quite a few conjunctions in the previous years. Let us now learn to classify these conjunctions into their various categories. Conjunctions can be divided into three main categories: coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, and subordinating conjunctions. Though you will find that some conjunctions will be there in two categories, their type can be recognized by their use. Let us see each type one by one. The first one is coordinating conjunctions. These conjunctions join two simple sentences, that is, sentences that have only one verb. The conjunctions and, but, or, otherwise, etc. Remember that a simple sentence becomes a compound sentence when it is joined by a coordinating or correlative conjunction. The part joined by a coordinating conjunction is known as a coordinate clause. The first part of the sentence is known as the main clause. These conjunctions join words, groups of words or sentences. They usually come in pairs. These include either or, neither nor, not only but also, as well as, etc. The part joined by a correlative conjunction is known as a coordinate clause or main clause number 2. We already know that the first part of the sentence is known as the main clause number 1. Let us look at some more examples. These conjunctions join phrases or clauses that are dependent to the main part of the sentence. Words like because, therefore, while, although, unless, if, since, etc. are included in this category. Conjunctions join clauses and results are because, so, as, therefore, since, etc. Conjunctions telling us about conditions are if, unless. Conjunctions talking about concession are though, although. We have discussed all these conjunctions in the previous classes. Let us now look at the examples of these conjunctions. A sentence that has a subordinating conjunction may be a complex sentence. The part of the sentence joined by a subordinate conjunction is known as a subordinate clause. The first part of the sentence is known as the main clause. Let us now look at examples of subordinating conjunctions.